UM-204C electronic photo control are suitable for autonomously controlling street lighting, garden lighting, passage lighting, porch lighting, and park lighting based on the natural lighting level of the environment. This series of products adopts an electronic design with photoresistors and is equipped with surge resistors. Especially, the UM-204C can meet all types of power sources and provide a wider voltage range for customer applications. Its features have time delay 3 to 20 seconds and so on. In addition, its delay control function can avoid redundant operations caused by spotlights or lightning at night. When installing, be sure to cut off the power first, then turn it clockwise to lock it in the socket.